What is new Copilot? What is this thing up here in my screen? Microsoft just changed everything. Well, I turned new Copilot on so you could get a quick tour of it and understand some of the differences between it and what we had before. So first of all, I do have the Pro license, and you'll notice Work and Web has magically disappeared. Over here, I see Chat and Cowork there, but much of the interface is still the same. It looks still the same. For example, there is still some great hidden features like the Copilot Prompt Gallery, where you can store your best prompts. All of that is still the same. You can even do that on the free version of Copilot. So what's going on here? What we're going to be seeing is Cowork and Work IQ becoming a bigger part of the way we work. So that's why, by the way, organizations like to work with Get Control, because we only focus on Microsoft Copilot. This is all we do. So every training, every little change in the Copilot interface is immediately reflected in our training. So here's the big reveal. Let's talk about the 3 different versions of Copilot so we can put new Copilot in proper context. As before, there's a free business Copilot chat with every Microsoft 365 license. There's a good chance you already have access to this at no additional charge, and it has the Copilot chat feature here. This is so much more powerful than people think it is, and we think that people really have underestimated it. In our Copilot Pro, that's our next level, Microsoft 365 Copilot Pro. That is where Copilot is embedded in all your apps. But I always tell people that's not what's so magical about it, because you can upload an Excel spreadsheet to this primary Copilot chat, and you can actually analyze it without having to have it embedded in Excel. So the real value of the Copilot Pro is that you can ask it from here to round up all your email tasks or all the tasks that were given to you in the last meeting that you recorded, or through your Microsoft Teams chats. And it can go look at your SharePoint and OneDrive. That's what we call mining for gold. And that's your Copilot Pro license, which is great. So what's the third thing here? The new thing is the Copilot Cowork. So if your organization installs this, you'll have Cowork here, and you can see it's going to allow you to assign tasks by clicking on this new task button. Then you can have all of your tasks lined up here that you want it to do, schedule those tasks, and then customize things as well. You can see you can plan and complete work, manage multiple tasks at once, use your data in apps, and you have to request access for that. But let me just quickly summarize. The bad news is that this interface will change somewhat. Work and Web disappear. Many people's training will become obsolete if they've made videos. That's why it's great to work with an organization like Get Control. We keep you ahead of those changes, and we figure out what your people are using, and that's why our training is really behavior changing and fun. Copilot Cowork is going to be a game changer, though. Think of it as an advanced agent. Sure, under normal chat, you have great agents. You can do incredible things with Researcher and many of the other pre-built agents and agents that you customize. But think of Cowork as an actual coworker that can help you with the heavy lifting for a major project. So if your organization needs Microsoft Copilot team training that actually changes behavior and is fun and practical and inspiring, send us a message, and don't forget to follow and like for more Copilot updates.